Well, we just got this Elantra, real nice, good deal, and it does have a broken window motor, and so I want to show you guys. There is two screws here, and then there's two screws here, and then there's these little caps right here that go up in here. You gotta just pry them out, right? And then you go right there and there. There's two of them. And then there's a little tiny cap right there, go right here. And you can see that one I haven't removed yet. Just take a little razor blade knife or knife. And so that's what you need to do to remove all the screws. Okay, so next thing you're going to do is got this all loose. Just pry up like that, and the whole door should slip out. Wanted to be a little catchy right there. I'm wondering if I might have something underneath this little piece right here. I'm gonna check into that. Hold on. Okay, so next thing, like I said, is this right here needs to be pried off. I used this. I like it because it's got a big flat area, and I was able to just pry it off. Now see the little insert right there. You're going to want to pop that back in, obviously, but we're going to just take it off right now. Alright, so now, oh, there you go. Now the whole door unit will come off.